Working remotely from Costa Rica, totally doable, but your Wi-Fi will crash the first time you brag about it on Instagram. Trust me, it's a law of nature. So let's start with one of Costa Rica's best work from home selling points. It's always on Central Standard Time. No daylight savings ever. That means US coworkers are still waking up while you're on your second cup of Costa Rican coffee. Unless it's March or November when everyone else is running around and changing their clocks, and you just don't. You get to sit back, sip your cafe con leche, and let them figure it out. Also, fiber internet is everywhere here, even in most small towns. I pay about $60 a month, but because it is paradise, outages do happen. Sometimes a storm, sometimes just Pura Vida energy. So have a backup. So here are three golden rules of remote work here. Think about a satellite internet backup system. It's a solid choice, especially in rural or coastal areas. Also, get a local SIM card from Colby, Liberty, or Claro, load it up with prepaid data as a backup. Also, check out co-working spaces. They're starting to pop up everywhere here. And a bonus tip, don't forget to get a battery backup as well. You can pick them up from most stores here for less than $100 and run your router and laptop on it for around 4 to 6 hours, depending on the strength. Also, you can technically work on the beach, but the second you do, sand will find its way into your keyboard like it has a vendetta. But still, that morning email session at the cafe with waves in the background, your coworkers will be totally jealous of that sound. Trust me. And look, Costa Rica wants you here, literally. The Digital Nomad Visa gives you up to 2 years if you make $3,000 a month or more, work for a foreign company, and have insurance. And the best part is you don't have to pay taxes on your foreign income. You get jungle life, tax perks, and sunsets for your screensaver. It's not bad. But for me, the biggest surprise isn't the internet, it's the mindset. After work, people just go and live. They surf, they hike, they talk to neighbors. The phrase pure vida isn't a slogan. It's how people actually treat time here. So working remotely from Costa Rica is 90% preparation and 10% improvisation. So come ready. Good Wi-Fi, patience, and backup plans. But also leave room for the magic, because one day your biggest meeting will get delayed, and you realize it's just in time for that sunset and that margarita you need after work.